You won't believe this. I got completely different results from these 7 floor-standing speakers, and some of them were downright shocking. After testing over 30 models, I've narrowed it down to the top 7 that are truly worth your money. Stick around because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly which floor-standing speaker is perfect for your needs, whether it's for movies, music, or your home theater setup. If you want to check the prices of each product, check out the links in the description as I've linked to all the products mentioned. Let's get started. Number 7. Rockville 68C. If you want that big speaker presence without a big bill, Rockville 68C is an easy win. Right away, you get a wide, full sound that makes movies feel cinematic and classic albums feel alive. Dialogue pops, guitars have body, and bass lines are satisfyingly weighty. Exactly what you want when you step up from bookshelf speakers. Day to day, these towers are friendly to place and power. They're efficient enough for most home receivers, and the cabinet's venting helps bass stay controlled even when the speakers sit near a wall. You'll feel more low-end impact without resorting immediately to a subwoofer. The look is living room friendly. A clean wood grain finish and optional grills mean they fit either modern or traditional decor. They feel substantial too, so every binge watch night sounds consistent. If your goal is to fill a medium to large room with confident 3-way sound while keeping the budget intact, Rockville 68C gives you that wow, our room sounds bigger moment the second you press play. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Fluence Signature. Fluence Signature brings that concert in your living room energy. Bass is deep, tight, and surprisingly composed, so action scenes punch without boom and kick drums sound taut rather than muddy. As you turn it up, the presentation stays clean and controlled. What stands out is the mid-range clarity. Vocals sit naturally at center stage, and instruments separate in a way that makes dense mixes easier to follow. It's that step up where you start noticing details you've missed. Room ambiance, backing harmonies, the breath in a sax line. The cabinets are beautifully built and feel acoustically solid. That matters when you want volume without cabinet chatter. You'll hear more music and less box, which keeps long sessions fatigue-free. For music lovers who want a vivid, engaging listen that carries across genres and doubles as a powerful front pair for home theater, Fluence Signature hits a sweet balance of excitement and refinement. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Klipsch. If you crave live show dynamics, Klipsch delivers adrenaline on tap. The larger Tractrix horn throws crisp, immediate highs that bring cymbals to life and make dialogue cut through with ease. It's effortless energy that turns quiet rooms into venues. Bass is fast and muscular, so beat-driven tracks and explosions both hit hard without losing definition. Even at lower volumes, you still get body and sparkle, ideal for late-night listening when you don't want to crank it. They're also highly tweakable. Bi-wire/bi-amp terminals give hobbyists room to grow, and adding height modules for Dolby Atmos is a clean plug-and-play upgrade. As your system evolves, these towers keep up. If your playlists span rock, hip-hop, and big movie nights, and you love sound that feels alive, Klipsch brings the theater vibe home while staying articulate enough for everyday listening. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Polk Audio T50. On a tight budget and building your first system, Polk Audio T50 is the stress-free starting point. Plug them into nearly any receiver, place them by the TV, and instantly your living room sounds wider and warmer than any soundbar can manage. They're voiced for comfort. The top end stays smooth, so long marathons don't wear you out, while the bass radiators add satisfying weight to everything from sports broadcasts to streaming dramas. It's a friendly, forgiving listen that flatters average rooms. What's great is the upgrade path. Start with the towers today and add a matching center, surrounds, or a subwoofer later to build a full setup at your pace. Placement is easy and the footprint is modest, perfect for apartments or multi-purpose rooms. If you want honest, room-filling sound that's simple to set up and easy to love, T50 proves hi-fi can be affordable and approachable. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. GoGroove. Want a tidy all-in-one that still feels like a real speaker? GoGroove is a lifestyle tower with surprises. A built-in subwoofer brings movie night rumble and richer music playback without extra boxes, while the tall, slim cabinet disappears into corners. Connectivity is the win. Stream over Bluetooth for instant tunes, plug a television or projector via auxiliary input, or enjoy FM radio and USB playback when your phone's across the room. There's even a device dock and USB power, so your tablet stays charged during playlists. For small apartments, dorms, or offices, it's a space saver that still gives you height, scale, and satisfying low end. You'll go from podcasts in the morning to playlists in the afternoon and films at night. No rack of gear required. If you want floor-standing style and bigger sound without building a full component system, GawGroove makes everyday listening ridiculously convenient. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Polk Signature Elite. Polk Signature Elite is the Do Everything Well tower. It throws a wide, stable soundstage, so your sofa feels like the sweet spot. Voices stay locked to the screen, background details pop, and bass is tight enough that you may delay adding a sub. They're easy to drive and happy with modern receivers, including Dolby Atmos and DTS-X setups. Polk's PowerPort design helps bass stay cleaner and louder, which you'll notice in kick drums and cinematic score swells. Design is living room handsome, and the dual 5.25-inch drivers strike a balance. Articulate mids for music, punch and presence for movies. Rubber feet keep them planted on hardwood, and binding posts make setup a breeze. If you want a speaker that shines with Spotify, vinyl, and weekend movie marathons, and looks great doing it, ES50 is the versatile upgrade that makes everything sound more there. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. ELOC Debut 3.0. The ELOC Debut 3.0 brings true hi-fi performance into reach. The three-way design gives each driver a job, so music sounds layered and lifelike. You'll hear airy, precise highs, a natural, expressive mid-range, and bass that's deep yet disciplined. What you notice is realism. Pianos have weight and sparkle, strings bloom without glare, and vocals feel present as if the singer stepped into your room. The cabinet bracing keeps resonance out of the picture, so your focus stays on the recording. They're also surprisingly easy to partner with a wide range of amplifiers. That means less worrying about power and more time enjoying new detail in favorite albums and a cinematic step-up in your films and shows. If you're ready for speakers that reward careful listening and still thrill on movie night, Debut 3.0 is the balanced, elegant choice that earns the top spot. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best floor-standing speakers you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.